Every day, we see the sunrise that shows us that darkness will always be beaten by light. That is the power of good over evil. A very hearty morning to everyone present here. We all have gathered here to celebrate the Dussehra festival, and this is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class A. On behalf of Ashoka House, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Dussehra and Navratre. Dussehra means time for celebration. This is a celebration for victory of good over evil. This is when world sees the power of positive energy. Let us all continue to follow this same spirit in our lives. Let us start today's morning assembly and pray to Lord Ram to fill everybody's life with happiness, prosperity and success. Now everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, a huge thanks to our freedom fighters, soldier brothers, honest civil workers that they gave us freedom. It is our privilege to safeguard its dignity and pride. Pledge instill the feeling of patriotism which is superior to all devotions and deeds. Let us all pledge to serve our country. And for pledge, I would like to invite on stage Divam from class 8th. Thank you, Divam. Inside each of us, there is the seed of both good and evil, and one cannot exist without the other. In our lives, we should try to balance between good and evil, and this is a constant struggle as to which one will win. Let us refresh our mood and enjoy thought of the day. For this, I would like to invite Pammi from class 8th. Good morning, everyone. My name is Pammi. Thought of the day is good and evil, right and wrong. Those are two fundamental opposing concepts that define the nature of humankind. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Pammi. The world is made up of good and evil, and everybody thinks they are on the good side. The better line between good and evil runs through the heart of every man. The Dussehra festival gives us so many lessons. What is the importance of this festival in our lives? I would like to invite Malay from class 8th to deliver a speech on what is the significance of the Dussehra. Thank you so much, Malay. This festival is celebrated to commemorate the victory of Lord Ram over the demon Ravan. It is the occasion to hold in the highest regards the virtues of Lord Ram, and it strengthens the vows of devotees to follow the path and deeds of Lord Ram. As we are enjoying the festival of good defeats evil and celebrating the victory, let us take Lord Rama's blessings and sing together the bhajan Payo ji maine Ram Ratan Dhan Payo. And I would like to invite on stage girls from class 8th. Thank you so much for this. The 9 days of Navratre are dedicated to worshipping the 9 avatars of goddess Durga, one on each day. Let us all pray to Ma Durga, invoke the blessings of goddess Durga, forget all the disputes, spread love and enjoy the next performance, that is dance on Chugada Tara. And I would like to invite on stage students from class 8th and 9th. Amazing. It was such a nice performance. Thank you to all of you. My dear friends, festivals are an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture and traditions. And to enhance that, among our little ones, we have organized a role play in which children are beautifully dressed up to play the role of their favorite mythological character from Ramayana. And I would like to invite on stage children from class 1st and 2nd. Thank you so much, everyone. The lore of Lord Ram and Ravan is as old as time. The virtue of Sita, the valor of Ram, the deceit of Ravan and the end of it all. Light wins over darkness, goodness over evil. And now everybody get ready to enjoy the play taken from the epic Ramayana. For this, I would like to invite students from class 6th, 7th and 8th on the stage. Thank you so much, everyone. My dear friends, the Dussehra gives us a lesson to rethink ourselves and to slay the demon which keeps growing in us. Now we are at the end of today's assembly. Now everybody get ready for National Anthem. After National Anthem, today's assembly is over. May the blessings of Goddess Durga and Lord Ram always be with us and with everyone. Thank you for cooperating. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.